Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to warp rasterized text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Type anything. Press Ctrl T on your mouse. Hold Shift. Click and drag on your mouse. Then resize text. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Then press Ctrl T. Right click, see this warp text for custom. Okay. And again press Ctrl T. Right click. Oh, sorry. Click this icon. See this customs. ARC warp, ARC lower, upper, up, rise. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.